Right now, at this very second, gravity is the only thing keeping you on this planet. It's invisible, it's silent, and you've never once had to think about it. But what if it just stopped? Not forever, not even for a minute, just 5 seconds. The moment it happens, you wouldn't hear a sound. No alarm, no warning. 1 second, you're sitting in your chair. The next second, you're not. You'd lift off the ground like a feather caught in the wind. Slow at first, then faster, and you wouldn't even have time to react. Every single person on Earth, all 8 billion of us, would begin floating at the exact same moment. All of us, weightless, at once. Now zoom out, way out. The oceans, trillions of tons of water, would begin to leave their beds. Not like waves, like walls, massive silent walls of water rising into the sky. Cities near coastlines would watch the ocean lift above the horizon. But it gets worse. Every car on every highway would leave the road. Every plane in the sky, still moving at 900 kilometers per hour, would suddenly have nothing to push against. Nothing keeping it level. They wouldn't crash. They'd just drift, like toys thrown into space. And the atmosphere, the thin blanket of air we breathe, would start peeling away from Earth's surface. Slowly, silently. The sky wouldn't go dark, but it would start to thin. The Earth would begin to exhale its last breath. Here's something nobody thinks about. Buildings aren't just held up by their foundations, they're held down by gravity. Every beam, every bolt, every concrete wall, designed around one assumption. That down always exists. Without gravity, the pressure keeping those structures together vanishes. Cracks appear, joints separate, glass shatters upward. The ground itself, the soil, the loose rock, the sand, would rise like smoke. The Earth would begin to shed its skin. And the deeper rock? The molten core at the center of our planet? It's only held in place by one force: gravity. In 5 seconds, even that would begin to shift. Then, the 5 seconds end. Gravity returns, all at once, full force, and everything that rose falls. 5 seconds, no explosion, no meteor, no warning. Just 5 quiet seconds, and the world we know is gone. So tell me, if gravity vanished right now exactly where you're sitting, where do you think you would end up? Drop your answer below.